It is getting better, actually. It is getting better, your eye.
If that's, you gotta tell me that. Can I see the video, please? Because I want to see the video of her eye. Look at her eyes.
Me neither. LOL.
Show no mercy.
We're eating alcohol. How y'all doing? Welcome back. What is it? Oh, yes. It's a chicken and goo marathon.
Hi!
Okay, you don't.
It's me and Chicken, and we're killing a marathon. Even though we've done this 1,000 times in every different scenarios. Let's go! Okay, let's go in here.
Hey, right. Are we allowed to go in here? Because they like.
We are.
Are we?
Are you waiting to go in here?
Nope.
No?
I'm confused. Can I go in there?
Oh, I'm not sure. What are you doing? No, I was just saying that. Oh, okay. No, yeah.
Post it up. I respect that.
Yeah, those are my friends. I'm waiting.
Appreciate it. What are you getting? A fucking.
And I'm gonna get, like, liquor.
Oh, that's a good idea. You know what? Oh, I'm so stupid.
You can go in front of me. Oh, thank you.
Y'all trying to get fucking lit up? I'm selling motherfucking pepper toe. Trying to get drunk? It don't make you puke. It does make you puke because it gets you so toxic and wasted. You trying to do something? But peto. Hey, you trying to do some peto, brother?
Get the fuck out of my face!
You know this girl? God. Shut up. I mean, you smoke some peto. Hey, smoke some fucking peto. You tweaker. I know you're tweaking, bitch. Are you tweaking? Take some pet. Yeah, you ever seen tweaker like this before?
Can I do a fucking hell yeah? Hell yeah!
Shut up and drink some peto.
This guy's looking at me weird.
Drink that.
Can you not do that? Can you not do that?
Drink some peto. You need it.
Can you not do that?
You want NyQuil?
Stop!
Drink some NyQuil. Go to sleep. You must. Yeah, I got another bottle. Drink more. Stop drinking all the NyQuil. You want Dayquil? I got Dayquil. Hey, yo, she's tweaking. She's motherfucking tweaking. Hey.
Ms. Cat sent $50. Welcome back to So California. This is for both you and just don't get too drunk and be safe.
No promises, Miss Katz. I love you so much. Oh my God, are you serious?
Anonymous sent $3. Get Andy ASAP. Suck it up, get Andy ASAP. It's important.
No, Andy's been a douche, man. He's trying to suck my dick left and right. Like, I'm just trying to kick back and stream, and he wants to suck my dick. He won't let me stream. You already sucked my dick once. I guess that wasn't good enough, you know. He did suck my dick. But yo, to Miss Cass, holy fuck, we out here. All donations are pretty much going towards hotels and transportations at this moment because we're getting pretty broke. Yeah, Andy did suck my dick, unfortunately. Yeah, it's fucking bullshit. Hurry up, bitch. No, I was talking to my phone. dumbass
I
bitch.
don't fucking care how fucking know you're talking to me.
Dude, chill. I'm just talking to my phone. God. What the fuck, man? I swear to God, these fucking people out here in Hollywood are so weird sometimes. I mean, I give mad respect to the store owners.
Cat Harvey sent $3, bro. Thank you. I'm tired of giving money to Captain Content. He has no content. Thank you, chicken. Save us. You had the best RV. Fuck what anyone says. You're the king of it too. Next to Dope and Tone. Right now you hold the belt.
Hey, I fucking love you, bro. I'm gonna buy a vape. Can I get your right one right here? The Freeze, the Coca-Cola. Coke, I love Coke, man. I really love Coke. Yo, bro, don't worry. Hey, guess what? If you're tired of donating to Captain Content, well, guess what? My ass is gonna be streaming for the next. Hey, I do apologize for this. Do you want me to pick it up? I can pick it up. It's just like one item. I'll do that right now. Here. Shut up.
Can you buy a fucking bed?
Yes, I don't want that. I don't want that. Thank you. Shut up, Garkhead. Yo, if you're tired of donating to Captain Content, rest assured, we're back, bitch. Yo, thank you so much for hanging with us. Hey, I really respect you, bro. I'm sorry. You're awesome. Alright, I'm out of here. Peace. The best. Ms. Cat's donated $50 for us.
Should
So
we
we
put
can
on
get-
the black?
We're gonna get goddamn. We're gonna keep doing IRL. That's what it sounds like. Goddamn.
Yeah. Okay, can I take a puff?
Hey, that's my Coke. Give it back. I won't... Oh, that's not funny.
Sorry.
Hey, is this flavor good? It's
I don't know. Do you want some of this? I bought some of it. You can have some of it.
Can I have some alcohol?
Yeah. Well, oh shit. Did I buy alcohol? Oh yeah, I did. You want some? Have it.
Hold that. In that.
Oh shit.
Chicken. Can you imagine selling alcohol to fucking degenerates like us?
Yeah. I
Ah!
can. Have you ever seen how like the Trailer Park Boys are fucking famous? People like watching dipshits like us, so they don't have to live it, but they can be it vicariously. I'm lightheaded. Hold on.
Goocheese, are you CGI?
No, but I'm lightheaded as fuck right now.
Or put him in right back.
I'm really lightheaded. Hold on.
Right.
Please, just like let me lay on your shoulder for a
Do you want a
second.
shot? That's not my shoulder, that's
This
my...
is a high I love. When I have like a lack of
Go, wake up.
It's gonna
Oh my god, cops.
It's gonna
Cops.
end in a second.
Put it in your bag. Drink some. Okay, you are already fucked up.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You want to see?
No.
I don't know. I
Well,
never got it. Oh wait, let's see.
Oh my god,
Bring my wallet.
we're trying to do IRL right now, but you're trying to be drunk right now.
No, I'm gonna be sober in a second.
Don't worry, chat.
I'm already sober now. It
You're
took,
sober?
like- yeah. Okay, I'm already sober. It like I had like a head rush.
Yeah, from the nicotine. Give me that.
Anonymous sent $3 chicken. How was your visit with Andy Dick's girl, Elisa?
Elisa's so pretty. Oh my god. Can I say this? Okay. Like in person, she is. I personally don't know words because I'm dyslexic, but Elisa is so pretty in person. I try to keep my cool the whole time. You know, I was trying to be like, right?
One Sonic sent $3. Hey guys, welcome to LA. So happy to see you. Remember, this is my block, but you are bestie easy. Can you please get me a bottle and come over and funnel down my throat? I'm a bit sleepy, but would really help me out. Come by right now, tequila.
Come in your throat.
It's on one song wants us to come in his throat.
Okay, let's.
Can we get up?
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Whoever wins, you have to give a fucking crackhead a fucking lap dance. Ready?
A what?
Ready?
I don't want to win.
The first crackhead we see, we have to give him a lap dance.
So, wait, if I lose, I don't have to do it, right?
Okay, whoever loses has to give a crackhead a dance.
So, wait, whoever loses or whoever wins?
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
I ain't losing now.
Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, you're just gonna give a crackhead. First crackhead,
Fuck
you're
no! Fuck no!
You're better at it, so shit.
Okay, alright.
You're better. Alright, let's go.
Well, is this my bag?
No.
Wait, do you have the fucking inhaler?
Yeah, I have an inhaler, bitch.
Love you, Poopy and Chicken sent $3. Wow, this is so great to see you two together. OG mother effers in the fucking house. F the new fags who think they can take over.
No!
Let's see some fun content and not post a drama. Oh yeah.
Do you want a lap dance? She lost it in a bet. She's gonna give you a lap dance if you're cracked.
Wait, do you have the fucking hit?
Yeah, I have the hit. Yeah, Stone should get away from AK.
Real Talk sent $3. Buy Mace, buy Mace, buy Mace.
Me too.
Can I just get this? Huh?
Do you have pepper spray?
I want this.
Wait! Hey, stop right there! Don't worry, I'll get her.
Can
Give
I
me
have
that.
This? I want that. No.
Dude,
I
don't do
want
that. Don't do that.
I want this.
No, go.
Oh,
Dude, no, he'll come.
Whatever, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I paid
That
for a
was
bunch
that was
of
like a
shit.
$2 drink right there.
I don't give a fuck.
No, he's behind you. He might talk.
Ah! Okay, well, I guess we can't go back there.
Idiot.
Wow. Now he doesn't. Okay, you go back there. Can we go back there?
No.
Now we can never go back there. You go back there. You get it. I'll fucking hold the
Let's
camera.
go stream.
Okay. I don't have any more alcohol though.
Excuse me. So we just got robbed by like liquor store over there. They took our drink.
Wait, can I see this?
Yeah.
Can you guys? I have.
Sorry, thank you.
Is that your father?
Yeah.
That's your daughter?
Yes, thank you.
Hell yeah. You're like a happy family.
I wish I had a happy family.
I fucking don't want that to be my family. The fuck?
Can you imagine being strolled in the midst of night?
Yeah,
at
fuck it.
Hollywood?
I would never want that to be my family. What the fuck? Wait, now I don't have. Okay, let's go there.
No, Gus, come on.
Alright.
Yo, what's
Hey,
wrong?
yo, can I get a little piece of that? Can I get a little
One
piece
piece.
of that? Can I get a little piece of that? Yeah, can I have high five? High five. Oh, we're walking forever. Now you can have a good bit.
Oh, don't hurt her.
I met you. I bought you fucking alcohol. Remember your fucking eye was like really fucked up before. I remember you like fucking months ago, and then I tried to like from 7-Eleven. I tried to help you out. I remember you. Actually, I do remember you. I remember you. I tried to help you out. What's up, baby boy? Come here.
What, are you a Satanist?
No.
Luciferian?
What? Like no. I think you're.
Luciferian's
fucked up.
actually not too bad.
I'm not effed up.
Mojam sent $5 hugs to my two favorite streamers.
Hugs really quick.
Can I give you a hug?
I'm just chilling. What are you guys doing?
Can I give you a hug?
Give him hugs.
I don't know. I'm not sure if I
Yo,
should.
look.
Look at that.
Look, I'm giving you like this code. Come here. Look, put your hand here.
What is this?
You can read my palm. Read my palm.
No,
I'm trying to help you out.
No, what is this?
Dude, you want something?
Oh, I thought
Can
it
I
was-
buy you? Can I help you out?
I thought it was on your ring finger. What?
Can I help you out? I remember you. I used to help you out. I remember from like 7-Eleven, I bought you a burrito. And I told you your eye was infected. Your eye looks so much better now. Let me see.
Oh.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, you're gonna get infected. Let me see it. Can I see it?
It is getting better, actually. It is getting better, your eye.
Your eye is like infected, but it's getting better. It was infected. Your eye is like a little infected. I can tell by the way it is. It's getting better though. I'm so happy for you. You getting better now?
Yeah, but what are you?
Whoa.
Alice?
Paris? Paris.
Alice?
Did you hear that? Kills all the fucking infections. Here. Oh no. Where's your shoes at? Yeah?
That's actually Jordan's, eh?
No. Hey, hold on.
I got big feet.
They look.
Oh, those are bigger than mine.
No, not that.
Wait, does it fit mine?
Hey, match.
No, they're bigger, I think.
Oh,
No, I'm
damn,
saying
they're,
similar design.
they're just an inch bigger, man.
This guy's cool. I met him before.
It is cool.
Oh wait, I remember you.
Do you?
Yeah.
I think I remember you.
Wait,
Dude, come
No, I
down,
know
come
we
down,
were
come
ha-
down.
We hung out.
Sit down for a second.
I shot you some weed once, actually. You know what?
No.
I rolled you a blunt. That's
no,
right.
No. You didn't roll me a blunt because a blunt.
Where's your other shoe? Right there.
I don't smoke weed, but I remember you from the boulevard.
Boulevard. Sonic.
Yeah, but you resemble someone I know,
Anthony?
Anthony.
Huh.
Remember, I got you that.
No, I'm not Anthony, though. I'm a different guy.
Yeah, but do you know Anthony and Simone?
I do not, no.
Are you his bride? Shut up.
Oh, I guess I like him.
You look a lot like him. He's so cool, but like.
I wish I was that cool, I guess, but I guess I'm not that cool.
No, exactly. Why can't you state it if it's you?
Alright, fuck it. You know what? You got me. I've been trying to hide my identity, you know? I've been drinking fucking alcohol all night, bro. Like, I can't. Popping Adderalls all day.
It's okay if I sit here.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
Fuck.
100%.
I don't want to like ruin your shit.
No, it's not shit. I mean, it's
Just don't sit on his jewelry.
Oh, sorry.
He's trying to sell that, you
No,
go?
I'm not trying to sell it. They were gifts.
They're gifts. He's trying to give them away. Goop. Can you just be normal?
What?
Can I take a hit of the hit of the hit of the hit?
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Danny from LA sent $3. Hey sweetheart goo. Come over tonight so I can clean your dirty feet with my tongue and then let me come all over them. Hey sweetheart goo. Come over tonight so I can clean your dirty feet with my tongue and then let me come all over them.
I don't have dirty feet.
Danny from LA sent $3. Hey sweetheart goo.
Amazing.
Come over tonight so I can clean your dirty feet with my tongue and then let me come all over them. Hey sweetheart goo. Come over tonight so I can clean your dirty feet with my tongue and then let me come all over them.
I washed myself today.
You have dirty feet?
You okay?
Can I test your feet?
Dude, calm down. It's
Are
okay.
they normal or?
I'm not like in a bad mood though.
We're chilling hella hard, bro. I always wanted to have earrings.
Ew.
Hey, this is some ring?
I'm trying to calm it down.
You look, hey, can you play a video on there for me? It's Paris Jackson.
Paris Jackson.
Paris Jackson.
Jack, can we get a Paris Jackson? See, I gotta ask them if they can play. I asked them if they could play that song.
Who?
Them, the people that are watching.
Oh, the watchers.
Yeah, I guess yes. Chat, Pirates Jackson, right? Is that the one?
Paris Jackson, yes. Letdown.
Let Down. We're trying. Let me ask these people. Hey, yo, we're trying to get some Pirates Jackson.
Yo, I see that you have a...
Oh.
New York, baby. Yo, you got the fucking...
Guys on my face?
You got the tattoos on your face.
Yes.
I see you got that. Are you a fucking drifter?
Oh, no, not.
Let me see your face.
You're looking at it.
Yeah, well, look at what you got around it.
I know, I got a tattoo on it.
Yeah, why?
Why? Because it's my face.
Why?
Why is why? Ain't letters in the alphabet.
Do you want people to know who you are?
No, I spent 10 years in the military.
Yeah, well, what's that fucking give you?
With the government? Not a goddamn
No,
thing.
that tattoo.
Oh, what? My face or my hand?
Don't touch my shit.
No, I'm saying no, you got...
Ew.
Ah!
From landlord sent $3. Take a shot out of his eye hole for $100. Take a shot out of his eye hole. I'll pay $100.
Coyote from Brooklyn,
One
New York.
Sonic sent $3. Guys, that is my friend. He is not content. You need to move along. I'm waiting for you. You promised tequila would be funneled down my throat. I'm parched. I need your coom, I mean tequila now. Come now, I need my medicine. Come now.
What song were we trying to play again?
Paris Jackson Letdown.
Paris Jackson. Wait, oh my goodness. Wait. We might have to back up my friend. She's getting attacked.
Fucking faggot.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
Come here. Let's talk.
I thought your bag was open. I was just...
Yeah, don't touch my bag.
I'm very sorry.
Don't ever fucking touch my bag.
I was just looking out for you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
No,
Do you want me to hold your bag for a minute?
No, I can hold it.
I'm totally
Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
Sorry.
And then I thought it was an omen, like or like a sign. I was supposed to look at something and there was a code. Not honest. I'm being honest.
It felt like it was a code that he was gonna unlock to your heart.
Yeah, I thought like you put it there intentionally.
Yeah,
Don't
you
touch
put.
my fucking bag, nigga.
Don't say that.
Oh,
Why not?
There's no reason to be calling a white guy a nigga.
No, you don't call me anything. Drink. Here, drink this. Oh, you want one?
You all look very twinny. Look, you all smearing.
Your eyes remind me of...
Your eyes.
No, Paris Jackson.
Pyro Jackson.
Paris Jackson. Mikhail Jackson's daughter.
I see that.
If that's... You gotta tell me. You can't... Can I see the video, please? Because I want to see the video of her eye. Look at her eyes in the video. Okay? Can you play it, please? What? Is it me?
Oh my God! What am I watching here? Whoa, wait. Are you okay? What happened?
I just don't want to kiss me.
Oh, are you trying to make the moves? Oh shit. Gang.
What? No, not a gang. It's not gang signs. It's not gang signs.
Sorry, I don't know anything but difference between non-gang and gang.
What I belong to, you text me is not a gang. It's
Alright, hey yo bro, we're gonna see, you'll be right here?
no, I'm gonna come with you.
We're getting drunk as fuck, kinda walking down that way. Do you mind if he follows?
Okay.
Okay. I want to kiss you. Alright, let's do it. Fuck it. Oh! You're packing!
Yo, check it out. Look, these are like...
Shit! Wait, let me try to sell these really quick.
Cleopatra. No,
Can I try to sell them?
No,
I'll give you profit. I'll give you profit.
No, it's Cleopatra.
Would you like some earrings? Excuse me? Earrings? Oh, what are you doing?
It represents Cleopatra somehow.
I see it because like the way the oval is, and then she's like fucking falling on this. Wow.
Yeah, see it. It is. It's
Can you
Cleopatra.
put that in my earrings?
Sure. Absolutely.
Can you put that in my earrings?
Yeah, one sec. What now? Right now?
Yeah.
Simpa Rooney sent $10. Thank fucking go. We're finally out of that stinking RV. Here's some money for my disability check. I have no legs and have been stuck inside watching Captain RV. I have been stuck inside
My
Captain's
God.
RV. Now I get to see the outside world. Thank you, chicken.
You're welcome, brother.
Cat Von D.
Me and Goocheese are gonna fucking kill it. Oh, I can't play this song. Sorry.
Cleared it out.
Oh my god, I gotta skip it.
There's a tattoo I did.
Sorry, I have to skip that.
It's amazing.
For the...
Can I help you?
Have you ever put an earring on a girl before?
Chug though. I want to chug.
No, don't
Can I
drop
show you?
it.
Hold on. How much do we have? Are they still open? What time is it?
Let me look.
Creative fucking like.
Oh. It's almost 12 p.m.
So they're closed, yeah?
Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Follow this guy.
Bruh, they're closed.
Yeah, we're all good. We got enough.
Can I wait? Can I try to put one of the earrings on, my friend? Can I put an earring on you? Do you want AIDS in your hair?
No, I'm disgusted.
Do you sanitize with alcohol at least?
I don't want to see $9 shot. But
You don't have
do
to.
this thing. Come on.
Yeah, he's making a play right here.
Yo, where's the cap?
The cab? No cab, it's right there.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Yeah, bro, I got you.
Love you.
I saw that a mile away.
Yo, check this out though. My family, the Obamas.
Obamas?
Yeah,
This is the Obama stock right here.
Obama,
Barack Obama,
Barack Obama, and Michelle Obama.
Michelle, bro, how to collab.
Yo, check it out.
The
Here, I'll show
fuck
you.
am I looking at?
Look at this.
Look at that.
It's goddamn Barack and
Look.
Slum
You see that?
Obama. Oh, that's it.
OMBAS.
OMBS.
Yeah.
Shut up,
Obamas.
it's Obamas.
And it's the hexagon pattern.
Yeah.
They're my
that's-
family, and this represents, honestly, it represents the
You're
moth.
a crack,
The
nigga.
moth. Who, me? The moth
Yeah,
I brought.
dude.
The moth I brought back to life.
Yo, can I show you something? Can I show you something?
What? Hold up. Honestly, that's gifts from the Obamas, and I love
Can I
them.
show you something?
And I'm gonna say this publicly. I'm gonna kill anyone that called his wife that fucking woman walking around with a penis.
Michelle or
Yeah,
Michael?
No, Michelle Obama.
Can I take a sip of
Okay.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, fucking.
No, don't kill me. I was
No, I'm telling you,
asking.
not
that?
you.
Quick.
No, don't kill
Anyone
me.
that said that the president of the United States, Barack Obama's wife, is walking around with a penis,
God,
fucking kill you.
fuck
Grab
him.
your shit.
Hey, y'all believe that Obama's wife was a guy or girl?
Grab your shit. Grab your shit.
My,
Come on, give me-
I don't have anything. Like,
Fucking
what?
kill him.
Might as well.
I'm
Fuck
gonna
him.
fucking kill him.
Is that mine or yours?
No, it's ours. It's both
Ours?
It's
God.
ours. What's mine is yours.
That's how I feel. You know
And I
what?
mean, I don't
You're
know if you
you're
feel the
honest
same
and
way.
real.
Like what yours is mine. I would,
Fuck it. You know what we need to look for?
that you think that
Is Obama haters. We need to find Obama haters.
fucking kill you. I'm gonna fucking kill him.
Hey, y'all fucking hate Obama?
Yeah.
Hey, listen. These guys hate Obama. These guys hate Obama. Y'all hate Obama? Yes or no?
And I'm gonna kill everyone that smashed my Uncle Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I go in? Oh, shit.
You fucking druggy alcoholic motherfucking. Oh, you want a light?
Yeah, what are those cigs at?
They said they hated Obama.
Fuck Obama.
No, Obama. Shut up, Obama.
Wait, there's no lighter.
Anonymous sent $3. Michelle Obama has a bigger cock than you hobo.
What did that say?
It said Michelle Obama has a bigger cock than us hobos. Do you think so? Cheers. Wow, that guy was so nice to give us free cigarettes. Your drink's right there. Your drink's right there, isn't it?
It's fucking. She has both of the bottles.
No, Gil, you can't have both of the bottles. Gil, give one of the bottles back. It's his. Here, I'll help you get one of the bottles back.
Give me the fucking bottle.
Gil, give me one of the bottles back.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Gil, wait, no, don't steal one of his bottles.
Ew.
No, don't. At least give him one. Gil, we need one of the bottles back.
Give me the bottle. Sweetheart, I want to have a drink.
Gil, he wants to have a drink.
Yo!
What the fuck? We're trying to drink some alcohol. What are you doing?
I need a drink. I want a drink. I need a shot.
Truth, you burn out.
What? Give us one of the bottles. The open one, right here. Right here. Please, Goo. Please, Goo.
I don't have to buy you. What are you doing? Like, don't do this to me. You want to listen to music and hang out. Just let me have the bottle.
Yeah.
What?
I'm sure I'm about to fall over because you're. Dude, give him one of the.
Around here. Give me the bottle.
What?
I want to have a drink. I'm not a creep.
I don't like creep either.
Yo, give me the
Dude, give him one of the bottles back, Goo.
Don't tell me what to do.
That one. That's
Are
open.
you okay?
No, I'm not. I've been abused. I've been raped. I want my fucking bottle.
Well, that's
Give him one of the bottles, Goo.
Here, come here. Calm down. Calm the fuck down. You're fucking irritated. Can I see your eye? Yeah, your eye is irritated.
Whoa, wait, that's not the right bottle. You stole the wrong one. No, that's
Okay, come on,
the less.
let's go hang
No, that
out.
one. Yeah, you want to hang out?
Yeah, and listen to music and jam out.
Yeah, let's jam out. Hey, we're gonna listen to music and jam out.
Raise hell. Raise hell.
Woo! Wait, but that was our ball. Wait, but that's your ball right there, isn't it?
Both of them. I got both of them. I gave her that.
Really?
Yes.
Can I get a hug?
Yeah.
Whoa! No sexual assault here.
I love you.
Sweetheart.
You're cool as shit.
Likewise. Thank you.
Give him the cigarette.
Don't watch out.
I'm not a creep.
I know you're not.
Me neither. LOL.
It's like sucking
Oh
in.
wait, he's probably like that's destroying somehow people that have sex.
My lighter. She just threw my fucking lighter.
Barack is all
Wait, whose team am I on here?
It's an
She just
Illuminati ritual, isn't it, to kill off those that said she has it.
Yes, she has a big cock, bigger than mine actually. She probably has a big ass cock, and I'm
I
jealous.
get it. No. Because if we're a family, then we can do that because it kills off that which said that offended her. It's a ritual
You
somehow.
offended me?
No, but, that said that about his
Can you
wife.
give me a kiss?
No, kiss me.
No!
Oh, she's a player.
What's up, brother?
Do you want a kiss? He said, hell no.
But your eyes look just like. Can I see the video? Can you play it, please?
Yeah, I'm playing it for on y'all.
No. Can you play the video?
No, it's
Like Paris Jackson.
Power Jackson. Who's that?
That's Michael Jackson's daughter.
Wait, she seems scared. She's hiding behind me.
My
I think this is I think I'm playing the.
Yo, get away from that.
Hey, get away!
Who's that?
Don't worry, I got you.
Did you get hit?
Yeah, there you go.
This is awesome. Awesome. We are awesome. Oh, you want some sick?
It's gone.
See?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hi, Gail. How you doing? We don't have phones because we come out here sober so we can get drunk.
EW means we.
What?
It means EW means
Fuck
we.
yourself, nigga.
Reverse means we, like us.
Go away.
Oh, we. Yeah.
So like we. Like
Can I get a puff, please?
Why are you acting like that now?
She's scared.
She's not scared.
I don't know.
Yeah, I am scared.
Dude, you shouldn't say that
I
word.
detest it, actually.
I don't want to care.
I detest it. I don't hate it.
Dude, you shouldn't say that word. Dude, you shouldn't say that word.
Away. Don't use that word.
Dude, don't say that word.
It's going away. It's disgusting.
Can I get a hit at least, please?
Disgusting.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
A minute ago, you wanted me to like hang out and listen to music.
Okay, so then can you shut the fuck up?
I'm so confused. What's going on here? Do you want a piggyback ride? She wants a piggyback ride. She's gonna get on me.
Is that a
No, I
helmet?
don't want to fucking like fuck up shit.
Hurry! I'm your scapegoat.
No, I don't want to fucking get out.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! No! Oh my god!
Ow!
You know. Wait, sit down.
Ow!
God damn it!
More like she
Ow!
Goo! Goo!
She doesn't feel pain when she fell.
Goo, are you
Oh
okay?
my god, my eye hurts!
Oh my god. Like,
I don't know what the fuck.
oh my god. See it? My son?
Alright, Goof, can I give you my arm and help you? Hey, can you help me escort her?
Ow! Fucking help me out! Fucking get me out of this shit!
Here, help me out.
Captain Deplorable sent $5
Alright, follow me. Thank you. Oh, go! Here, hold on to me. I got you. She's my sister. I gotta at least help her. At least get back to her room. Alright, I got you. Dad, she's intoxicated. Leave her alone. Alright, I got you. Alright,
I fucked up.
No worries.
No, I fucked up.
Do you want to hold the stream?
Yes.
Can I have your Red Bull?
I just want yeah.
Alright, wait. Breathe. Here, look, a tree. Wait, go to the tree. No, not me. I'm not a tree. Alright, right here. Back up on this tree right here. For a second. Alright, you ready? Here. Hold up.
Anonymous sent $5. You just got knocked the fuck out. Love you, goo. Welcome home.
Wait, stop. That's the stream. Don't hurt the stream.
Don't fucking tell me what to do.
Can I help you get back to the at least hotel room?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I do that?
Don't tell me what to fucking do, though.
I'm not. You're spilling the alcohol.
You're fucking an asshole, and you're fucking telling me what to do.
You know what? I'm gonna look at my stream.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. Alright. Stream's over. Oh, wait. No, stream. I saved the stream.
No.
Let's see.
I'll fuck you up.
Chase the camera. Oh, you won't get him. You won't get the camera. What are you doing? What is this filming? What are you doing?
She didn't drink. She was totally sober, like normal. She didn't even drink that much.
Dude.
It's an act. She's not drunk.
Are you acting, Goocheese?
You're acting like you're not drunk. Or I'm sorry. Wait, like yeah. You had like 2 sips out of that.
Whoa, don't fall. I'm putting my phone on autofocus.
Yo, can you please play that video?
You just got out of my face. That will fucking break him.
I'm just gonna drop her off at least.
I will break you, bitch.
Go, wait, stop, go. I'm gonna help you make sure you don't get too intoxicated where you get in trouble, so. Alright, chat, I'm gonna help her get back to her fucking hotel room. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, I have to end the stream.
Is that no seriously?
Can you get me back to like the place we were at?
Yeah, alright. Yeah, I'm ending the stream right here. Goodbye, chat. See you guys soon. Okay,